Alright, so now, I'm not sure that you can even see the difference here, but this is the headlight that I cleaned. And if you're working on a neon or lucky enough to have this on another Dodge, there's this nice piece of rubber that goes around the outside edge that holds the light together as the glue is drying. So this isn't even really completely dry. I let it sit for about an hour, and then popped it on here. I don't know if you can really tell the difference in clarity between this light and the main headlight, but take a look at the other headlight. You can see through it, but it's very, very, very cloudy. And the polished one is much, much better. Are you dizzy yet? Let me turn them on so you can see the difference. Alright, there's headlights on. I guess they both just look white. This one being on, you can see the reflector inside. This one, you can see it a little bit, but the actual lens itself just glows. So, anyway, that's how I do it. Later.